In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a staging site in Cloudways. A staging site is a safe copy of your live application where you can test updates, plugins, themes, and configuration changes without risking your production site. Cloudways makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a dedicated staging environment ready to use. Start by signing in to the Cloudways platform. Once you're in, look at the top navigation. Depending on your interface, you may see servers or applications. If you're on a flexible view, go to servers first. Otherwise, you can head straight to applications. The goal is to get to the application that's currently live and that you want to clone for staging. Choose the server that hosts your live app. Then locate the specific application you want to create a staging copy for and click into it. This takes you to the Application Management panel, which is where all the tools for your app live. Inside Application Management, look for Staging Management and open it. This is your control center for creating and handling the staging application. Click Launch Staging Application. A pop-up will appear asking where you want to deploy the staging app. This is simply Cloudways checking which server you want to use for the clone. Select the server for deployment. You can keep the staging app on the same server as your live site if you have sufficient resources available. This is convenient and keeps everything in one place. If you prefer more isolation, or if your live server is already working hard, choose another server in your Cloudways account. Using a separate server can help ensure testing doesn't affect performance on the live one. Before you proceed, make sure to tick the Create as Staging checkbox. This tells Cloudways to configure the clone as a staging environment, keeping it separate from production and labeling it clearly so there's no confusion. When you're ready, click Continue to start the process. Cloudways will now clone your application's files, database, and essential configurations into the staging environment. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of your site. You can let the platform run the task and check back shortly. When it's done, you'll see a distinct staging application in your dashboard with its own URL and environment. From there, you can safely test changes, verify everything works as expected, and keep your live site untouched. That's it. Your staging site is now set up and ready for testing in Cloudways.